Pathfinder 317 Explosive Scalper. The best non-repaint indicator for scalping, day trading, and swing trading. Let's examine 43 consecutive trade signal moves on Germany 40 from the latter part of January 22nd to January 29th, 2025. Starting with Part 1, we examine the performance of this epic indicator on the first 10 trade signals. Let's get started. It's charting time again. This is Germany 40. 5-minute time frame. We're backtesting Pathfinder 317 ES indicator on the German index from the latter part of January 22nd to the 29th, 2025. As usual, we will monitor and measure all trade signal moves from either the signal candle open or from the next signal candle open to obtain the maximum gains. The move that goes against each signal will be shown as negative values after the forward slash. Let's watch how these first 10 signal moves play out. Pathfinder 317 ES indicator is applicable to a variety of markets. Check out the channel playlists for videos on your favorite markets. If you find this video informative, please give it a like, comment, and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell to be notified of future videos as well as the free upcoming T-TAC live sessions, where we will be exploring the markets collectively by employing this Techurhythmic's flagship market solution. Be sure to attend these live sessions. You'll never look back. Based on what you've observed so far, how would you tackle these trades? Drop all answers in the designated comments section. That's a dynamite signal right there, a massive move with no drawdown whatsoever. Note all these trade signals remain intact post factum. Check out the channel playlist videos on demonstrations of the non-repainting feature of this awesome MetaTrader 4 indicator. Watch out for part 2 of this video series, where we bring you more phenomenal moves to showcase the epic performance of this all-in-one indicator. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, give it a like, comment and share with others. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos as well as the free upcoming T-TAC live sessions. See you in the next one.